Thank you, Govinda sir. Hands cover up. Hands side. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. So the days are being hotter, but some informations are here. So I just want to give you those informations. Are you prepared for your unit test or not? Yes. So very soon you will get the routine. So please practice. And coming Sunday, we have got special program. Have you checked in school almanac? What is there? What is there? House division and flag hoisting ceremony. On that day, there will be election. Okay? This time we are going to select house captain, vice captain, school captain, and vice captain through election. So there will be some candidates, and you have to cast your vote to them. So this practice is already done in grade 6 while selecting monitor and vice monitor. So in other classes also they will be selected in such democratic way. Which student gets more number of votes, the person will be the winner. And act that duties and responsibilities of monitor, vice monitor, school captain, vice captain, or house captain, vice captain effectively. So, tomorrow, those who are interested from each house, they can give their names to the concerned house teachers. Tomorrow you are going to make line according to your house, and during assembly, we will announce who are going to contest in that election. And Sunday, there will be ballot box, ballot paper, and you have to cast your vote. Is that clear or not? The work must be in a democratic way. So for captains, there will be 2 candidates, house captain 2, vice captain 2. Out of 2, 1 will be selected. For school captain, there will be 4 candidates, 1 from each house. Among them, who deserves maximum votes will be selected as house captain, school captain. In vice captain also 4. I think that will be systematic one, right? So who are interested? And one thing you have to remember, house captain and vice captain, so they can be from grade 4 to grade 9, and school captain and school vice captain from grade 10. So you can contest only up to house captain and vice captain, and class 10 students will be chosen for school captain and vice captain. Is that clear, students, or not? Okay, so that is the information. Attention. Stand at it. Attention.